A warm good morning to my dear tiny tots. I welcome you all to today's math class. Today we will start our sixth chapter, Fun with Give and Take. We have discussed about addition and subtraction in last Google Meet. Here you have more problems with subtraction and addition. Your first exercise in this chapter is cricket match. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many more runs does India need to win? To win, India must take 236 runs. So, can you find out how many more runs India have to take? What you have to do here? 236 minus 123. Runs to win 236. Runs by India 123. Now let's minus. 6 minus 3 gives you 3, and 3 minus 2 will gives you 1. Then 2 minus 1, 1. So India has to take 113 runs more to win the game. Is it clear, children? Now let's move on to our next exercise. Try it yourself. Geeta had rupees 368 in her purse. She bought a book for rupees 123. How much money is left in her purse? I have told you that if you want to see the balance or anything left, you have to do subtraction, isn't it? Money left in her purse is rupees 368 minus rupees 123. Now children, before doing, can you just tell me or can you guess how much money left in Geeta's purse? More than 200 or less than 200? Yes, it will be definitely more than 200, isn't it? Now let's see or let's subtract 123 from 368. Money in Geeta's purse 368. Cost of book 123. Now here you have to do subtraction. Look at the first number, children. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 will gives you 5. Next, in tens place, you can see 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 will gives you 4. And in hundreds place, you can see 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will gives you 2. So, you will get the answer as 245. So, there will be 245 in Geeta's purse. Here you have your next question. Can you help Nabila? Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabila bought 1 kilogram ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Kilogram is written as kg, children. Now, did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? How can you find the balance? Correct balance you have to find out whether he has given Nabila the correct amount. So, you will do addition or subtraction. Yes, we will subtract. Money Nabila had 245 and cost of ghee is 127. So you will subtract 127 from 245. In ones place you can see 5 minus 7. Can you minus 7 from 5? No. So you will borrow 1 from tens place. That is, you will take 1 from 4 and here it will become 15. 15 minus 7 will gives you 8. Now in the tens place, now you have 3 only. Okay. Now 3 minus 2, 1. And 2 minus 1 will gives you 1. So 128. So Nabila should get rupees 128 back. Here in practice time you have more questions to find the answer like this. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much older is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? Age of mummy tortoise is 150 years and age of baby tortoise is 33 years. So what you have to do here? Yes, you have to subtract 150 minus 33. When we subtract 33 from 150, let's see how will you get the answer. In ones place you can see 0 minus 3. Can you minus 3 from 0? No. So you will borrow 1 from tens place, that you will take 1 from 5 and here it will become 10 and in the tens place it will become 4. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. In tens place you can see now 4 minus 3. It will be 1. And in hundreds place there is only 1. So you will just put that 1 down. So 117. Baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise. Like this, here you have some more question. Can you do these questions or can you solve them by yourself? I will read the question for you. You have to find the answer by yourself. Arvind has read 69 pages of a story book. Gauri has read 95 pages of that story book. Who has read more pages and how many more? Did you understand the question? Arvind has read 69 pages of a book and Gauri has read 95 pages of the same book. Who read more? 95 or 69? Yes, 95 is greater number. So Gauri has read more pages. How many more you have to find? I have told you, if you get the question like this, how many more, how many left, what is the balance, you will do subtraction. So here you have to do 95 minus 69. In ones place you can see 5 minus 9. So you have to borrow. Don't forget that. Now here you have next question. Read these questions and try to solve this question by yourself. You have many more questions like this. Do it by yourself and also complete all the exercises what we have discussed in today's class and also the activities posting in the group. Now let's stop today's class here. Be good Do good. Study well. Thank you.